Cooking with kids is super cool. It's like a fun game and we learn new things. When we cook together, we make yummy food and have a great time. Trying new recipes with kids helps them try different foods. They might even like veggies more. Cooking together is a great way to spend time with family. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. It's time to make some delicious memories. Picking veggies, fruits, and herbs from the garden can be a fun activity. It also contributes to the cooking process and makes it even more special. Cooking is more fun when it's like a game. Let's pretend we're chefs in a busy restaurant. Kids can choose what to cook. They can pick recipes from cookbooks or online. Little ones can help wash fruits and veggies. They can also mix ingredients in a bowl. Remember, cooking together is about having fun and learning new things. Even little hands can help in the kitchen. Kids can measure ingredients with spoons and cups. They can also help set the table for dinner. Older kids can learn to use a knife safely with a grown-up's help. They can also try cooking simple dishes like scrambled eggs or salads. Remember to praise their efforts and encourage them to try new things. Kitchens can be tricky for little ones, so safety comes first. Always have a grown-up nearby when using the stove or oven. Keep pot handles turned away from the edge. Sharp knives are for grown-ups, but kids can use butter knives. Always wash hands before and after touching food. By following these simple rules, we can make sure cooking is safe and fun for everyone.